Welcome to the Vyntus Spiro Spirometer System Quick Start series. This 4-part video series will walk you through a basic system introduction, how to apply basic settings, calibration, measurement, and data review and reporting. In this section, we will take a brief moment and review the hardware makeup of a complete spirometer system. We will also review how to format the headings for your reports. So let's begin. When you get your Vyntus Spiro system, the box will contain the Vyntus Spiro handle with Pneumatac already attached, an accessory starter kit, instructions for cleaning, and a mouse pad. Your box will also contain your SentrySuite software packet containing installation instructions, instructions for use, your software code sheet, and your SentrySuite software DVD. The spirometer is comprised of a Pneumatac screen encased in a plastic housing that fits into a handle. To detach the Pneumatac from the handle, move the black sliding collar down away from the Pneumatac head. Now the Pneumatac can be removed and another Pneumatac inserted. To secure the Pneumatac, simply reverse the step and move the sliding collar up towards the Pneumatac head. You can tell which side of the spirometer the patient breathes into by looking for the icon on the handle that represents a person. Place the wider end of the bent elbow onto the end of the Pneumatac that faces the patient, as this will ensure a more comfortable positioning of the handle when being used by the patient. The spirometer attaches to a computer, either a PC or a laptop, using a USB connection. Make sure yours is connected before continuing. If you purchased the computer from CareFusion, SentrySuite software will already have been loaded. You will also need to have a complete calibration syringe system available, consisting of a syringe, silicone adapter, and filter barrier. Our CareFusion syringe also comes complete with a syringe certification. We will review calibration in Part 2 of this series. Before beginning, let's orient you to SentrySuite's 3 main application screens. First is SentrySuite Desktop. The SentrySuite Desktop screen contains all the utility applications and programs used for basic setup and configuration. Second, SentrySuite Measurement is where you will perform calibration, all patient measurement functions, and post-test technician review and reporting. And third, SentrySuite Review. The review screen is for physician workflow and interpretations. Now let's look at customizing the report heading for your new spirometer's SentrySuite software. This setting is typically adjusted only once for the measurement system. Your spirometer is powered by SentrySuite software. SentrySuite software should already be loaded on your computer. Take a moment to locate the blue Sentry Tower icon labeled Launch SentrySuite from the computer's main desktop. Double-click the icon. When SentrySuite software first loads, it will always perform a system validation. Your spirometer uses a non-heated Pneumatac, so you can disregard the warm-up screen that appears by simply clicking Skip Warm-up and then press Yes to move through the warning. Your system defaults to the measurement program. However, to customize your settings, go to the desktop application by clicking on the word Desktop in the program bar. Along the bottom are the available programs. Choose Configuration. From the selection menu that appears, select Global Settings. Global Settings is divided into 7 tabs that run across the top. For our purposes, we are going to focus on one tab, Report Settings. Select the Report Settings tab. Enter your institution name, address, and any other information you want to appear on your reports, such as a contact phone number and possibly a web address. Be sure to keep the box Confirm Reports Individually as unchecked. In the lower right-hand corner, click Apply. When a dialog box opens and asks if you want to save settings, click Yes. SentrySuite software will adjust and confirm each of the reports automatically. This process may take some time depending on how many changes you've made to the report. The software will prompt you to choose standard page size. Click Yes to all reports. Once finished, click OK to close global settings. Another confirmation window may appear. Click Yes to store the changes to the database. SentrySuite informs you that your changes will take effect after restarting the application. Click OK. You will also need to go into the measurement application and make a few changes. Click on Measurement in the upper right corner. In the upper taskbar, click on Settings, Program Settings, and a dialog box will open up. Choose the second tab over, the Display tab. For the volume time curve, you need to select Expiration upwards. When selected, you can proceed to tab 3. The Evaluation tab. On this tab, you will need to change the order of the performance of the FVC maneuver from the defaulted ERV VC to IC VC. Press OK and Yes. Save to template. Your customization is complete. At this point, you find yourself back at the SentrySuite desktop screen. Go ahead and close the software using the X in the uppermost right-hand corner of the screen. SentrySuite will confirm that you really want to exit. Click Yes. This concludes your introduction to your VMAX Vyntus Spiro spirometer. Part 2 of our series will cover calibration of your spirometer system.